My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube channels. Everyone is short, usually under 3 minutes. I get down to the point, say hi to my M&M man. Very casual look for me. I'm always casual, not stuffy. Here we go. What do you do if you owe back payroll taxes? I have worked thousands of these cases, both for Internal Revenue Service and on the outside. So IRS, when you owe debt, IRS is going to want to know what your exit strategy is. IRS is going to come in and ask for a financial statement. They're going to ask for a 433B, which is their business financial statement, and they're usually going to ask for a 433A, which is your personal financial statement. They want to know how both you and the business are doing. Usually, if you owe payroll taxes, the 941s, IRS may look at the trust fund recovery penalty, which means they plan to go after you personally for the trust fund debt or the withholding in 1/2 of the Social Security. So if IRS is sending you bills and notices, the first thing you want to do is make sure all your returns are filed, everything. IRS loves to see your rehabilitative. Number two, you want to make sure you're current right away. If we're in June, you want to make sure you're starting to make deposits in June. IRS wants to know you've cured the problem and you're ready to move back and solve the problem. IRS, in looking at these financial statements, are going to look very closely on your 433B financial statement, your business, to see if you can pay the back taxes. You really need to have a professional look at this, because IRS can tear you up and chop you up because you don't know what IRS is looking for on that statement. They're looking for expenses sometimes that are too high, or you're not reporting all the income, and many of these cases can spin off audits. So you want to make sure that you're current on your filings, you're making current 941s, all your 1040s are filing, and you're current also on your estimate or withholding payments. And then the best thing to do is show IRS what you've been doing in the last 3, 6, or 9 months. Why you can't pay the debt. Many of you can't. So you want to give IRS the season of time that really reflects how bad you're doing. Sometimes you don't use 3 months, you want to use 6 months, or you want to use 9 months. So I would always suggest you give your work to somebody else to look at to see if IRS has any inroads into you, because IRS is not looking to be reasonable with you. They're looking to collect the tax. So if you have any questions, hit us up. But just remember, stay current and at least be on top of what's happening today. Have a good one.